Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What cities in Kentucky did the tornado hit? On December 10, 2021, a violent, long-tracked tornado moved across western Kentucky, producing severe to catastrophic damage in numerous towns, including Mayfield, Princeton, Dawson Springs, and Bremen. What was the deadliest tornado in U.S. history? The Tri-State Tornado. The deadliest tornado of all time in the United States was the Tri-State Tornado on March 18, 1925 in Missouri, Illinois and Indiana. It killed 695 people and injured over 2,000. How long did the Kentucky tornado stay on the ground? 3 hours. The twister stayed on the ground for just under 3 hours and lifted up 2.5 miles northeast of Falls of Rough, Key. The tornado traveled at roughly 60 miles per hour. Surveyors believe the tornado traveled 128 miles in Kentucky alone. Is Kentucky in Tornado Alley? The states with the highest totals historically are Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas, members of the infamous Tornado Alley. Last Friday's tornado is now tied for the deadliest on record in Kentucky, the other being a twister that struck in 1890.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.